While you're dreaming, your skin could be healing or aging. Here are 5 things to do before bed that literally repair your face overnight. I used to wake up looking worse than the night before. Dry patches, fine lines, mystery breakouts. Then I realized I wasn't resting, I was neglecting. Turns out nighttime is when your skin works hardest to heal, if you let it. Miss these 5 habits and you could be fast-tracking wrinkles and dullness. But include them, and you'll start waking up looking years younger. Let's break it down. Pollution, sunscreen, oil, your skin collects gunk all day. One cleanse isn't enough. Studies show a double cleanse reduces clogged pores and boosts product absorption by 30%. While you sleep, skin cell turnover spikes. Niacinamide calms redness, while retinol boosts collagen production. Use it only at night. Your skin repairs more efficiently without UV interference. Melatonin doesn't just help you sleep, it's also a powerful antioxidant for skin. Light exposure at night slows skin repair and increases oxidative damage. Bacteria, sweat, old hair products. If your skin keeps breaking out and you've tried everything, this might be your hidden enemy. Derms call it the golden hour of healing. From 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., your body produces the most growth hormone. Translation: skin repairs faster while you rest. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving your skin what it already knows how to do: heal. So tonight, don't just sleep. Let your skin regenerate, rebuild, glow. If you learned something new, drop a water drop emoji in the comments. Tag your glow up partner. And subscribe for more real science-backed beauty from the inside out.